So in this video, I'm finishing my Nigeria weekly meal prep and I'll be showing you how all these meals turn out, from my jollof rice to plantain gizzard, and everything is just ready for the week. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to part 2 of my weekly Nigeria meal prep. So if you haven't seen the part 1 of this meal prep, that's where most of the preparation and the earlier cooking happened. In this part, I'm finishing the remaining dishes and I'm showing you how I portion everything for the week. So let's get started. The remaining part, I'm starting with the plantain gizzard. I'm starting with plantain and gizzard. This is one of those meals that is very quick. I mean, if I say quick, plantain gizzard is so quick. It's even flavorful, very versatile. Something like that. I'll fry the plantain until it is golden brown. Then I will add my already cooked gizzard and I'm going to finish it with a little spinach for balance. Do you remember? If you have watched part 1, you remember I showed you the sweet potato porridge that I was cooking before ending the part 1 of this film. So that is what I have just showcased in this video because it is now ready and it is set aside. So I'm just going to continue with the gizzard and then we are good to go. So one thing about a meal is, like, for example, this plantain gizzard now, I'm meant to use green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. But because I didn't remember to get it, I had to switch to spinach. Just something like, adding vegetables wherever you can is one simple way to make your meal prep more nutritious without even overthinking. Chakam. So now I'm going to go ahead and just stir the pepper mince. I've just added the blended onions, the pepper mince, the seasonings, and the spices. Now go ahead and add both the gizzard and the plantain. I will stir fry that. Then I'll finish it with my spinach. You know, just for like a little balance. That's all. You are not obliged to add spinach in your plantain gizzard. It's just for balance, and it came out so good and very nutritious. I also said in the previous video that I didn't even have the intention of making pasta. Especially this Italian one is really good. Italian pasta, their pasta mark is really good. So if you love pasta, always get the Italian mark. I'm not paid for this, but I'm only telling you what is good, what I have tested, and it is trusted. Chakam. So now then the pasta is already cooked in part 1. If I've watched it, I've already boiled it until it is soft, and now I'm going to be making the sauce before adding the pasta. It came out so creamy, and I'm going to be adding the mince meat to it. With the mince meat, oh my, they really enjoy it, they want more. Yeah, okay. It's almost like jollof pasta. Okay, yeah, it's jollof pasta anyway, but I'm not really serious about making it really jollof. Okay, just bringing out something nutritious and tasty. This is even a great alternative when you want something different from rice, but you still want those family Nigerian flavor. You get it, yeah. So and then meals like this we eat very well, and it is really important when you are cooking ahead for the week. At this point, my children have to they have to beg me to give them that day, that's what they'll be taking. So that's what they had. I'm not showing how to make this spaghetti. It's just like urgent spaghetti that I make. Okay, so it is something you can also make as meal prep. All this meal I'm showing you are what will even last you for 1 week. If you want to like a week without even entering your kitchen to cook this meal prep, follow me and follow these meal preps and come back and thank me later. Yes. Yeah, I'm making my heba. I'm making yellow gari and I'm just pairing it with my okra soup. It is so delicious. It came out really, really good. I ate it in the middle of when I was making this weekly meal prep because I was so hungry and I was like, baby girl, please rest a little bit and take your eba and just enjoy yourself. Now, for the last thing, so and it came as so good, and also the already cooked spaghetti jollof is another easy option for quick lunches or dinner, especially on busy days. And when I meal prep, I like to mix things up so the week doesn't feel boring, and that is what you should note about meal prep. Okay, you want to make something that don't feel boring, that doesn't, like, you don't, with your family you don't feel boring eating, you are enjoying your week. Okay, while eating different dishes. Okay, the eba is really really good. Okay, and then and another thing I remember is swallow is something many people think can be prepped ahead, but with proper storage, it was just fine. But for me, I think it's better I prepare it when I'm ready to eat it. Okay, meal prep doesn't even mean perfection. Okay, it means making your life easier, and that is it. My jollof rice is almost ready, and that is the last meal I'm cooking for today. A classic Nigerian jollof rice. Meanwhile, that rice is the mixture of long grain rice and basmati rice. Mm, that is how, that is what I have at home. I just mix them together. Like, this is always a favorite and something that can be paired with different protein throughout the week. Okay, like, if you are cooking, this last helps me manage my time, manage energy better. Like, you will be the better version of yourself during the week. You will be happy, you won't be stressed out. And one thing about me is, which I want you to know on this channel, is I always do during my meal prep is to clean as I go, washing the dishes, wiping surfaces, and organizing. As I go, I just save so much time at the end. I actually have other videos on my channel where I talk more about planning, time saving strategies, and how I stay organized during meals prep. So feel free to check those out if that's something you are interested in. Thank you so much. And if you are watching this part two, I just want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers for, you keep coming by, all my returning subscriber. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much. So once everything is ready, I portion the meals into containers. This makes it easier to grab meals during the weeks, and it helps, with portion control. Having meals ready reduces stress and helps cut down on eating out. I also prep fruit ahead for smoothies. Little things like this makes my morning much easier and helps me to stay consistent. Iba voila, this is how my weekly Nigerian meal prep turned out. Cooking once and eating throughout the week save time, money, and energy. Thank you so much for watching part two of my weekly meal prep. Let me know in the comments which meal was your favorite, and if you enjoy video like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.